Welcome. Our planet is a masterpiece of beauty and calm, but beneath the surface lies a force that shapes continents and life itself. Today we'll witness moments when nature's power erupts, real events, captured as the Earth reveals its raw energy. From volcanic eruptions to tsunamis, we'll explore the science and human drama behind these extraordinary phenomena. This is more than disaster. It's a testament to the dynamic, sometimes violent processes that shape our world. We are guests here, living at the mercy of forces far greater than ourselves. Join us as we travel the globe to witness what happens when Mother Nature gets angry. Our journey begins in Iceland, where in 2010, Eyjafjallajökull erupted after centuries of dormancy. What started as a tourist spectacle soon escalated as magma met glacier, triggering a violent explosion. Superheated steam shattered magma into fine ash, launching a colossal plume miles high. The ash cloud drifted across Europe, grounding flights and turning day to twilight. This event showed how a remote eruption could paralyze global travel and remind us of nature's reach. Eyjafjallajökull's eruption was a powerful lesson in the interconnectedness of our world. Even the most advanced technology is humbled by the planet's authority. Next we visit Japan, where on March 11, 2011, a megathrust earthquake unleashed a devastating tsunami. The seabed ruptured, sending a series of waves racing toward the coast. As the tsunami hit, seawalls crumbled and entire towns vanished beneath a wall of water. Cars, homes, and lives were swept away in minutes. Broadcast images showed a black wave swallowing everything, flames dancing atop floodwaters. Amidst the destruction, stories of resilience and unity emerged. The 2011 tsunami was a brutal display of nature's power and the strength of the human spirit. It changed Japan forever. In August 2005, Hurricane Katrina formed over the Gulf of Mexico, growing into a monstrous Category 5 storm. New Orleans, protected by levees, lay in its path. When Katrina struck, levees failed, and water surged into the city, submerging neighborhoods within minutes. People were stranded on rooftops, waiting for rescue as chaos unfolded. 80% of the city was underwater, a humanitarian crisis exposing both engineering failures and social inequalities. Katrina was a harsh lesson in the limits of our defenses and the vulnerability of our communities. It remains a stark reminder of nature's power and our need for preparedness. Australia's Black Summer of 2019 to 2020 brought bushfires on an unimaginable scale. Years of drought left the land tinder dry, and a spark ignited firestorms that created their own weather. Flames moved with terrifying speed, forcing entire communities to flee. Over 3 billion animals were killed or displaced, and vast ecosystems were pushed to collapse. Smoke circled the globe, and the world watched in horror. Firefighters from around the world joined the battle. The Black Summer was a warning, a glimpse of a future shaped by a warming planet. Nature's balance is more fragile than ever. In 1980, Mount St. Helens in Washington state erupted after months of warning signs. A massive landslide uncorked the volcano, triggering a lateral blast that flattened 230 square miles of forest. Ash shot 15 miles high, turning day to night across the region. The landscape was transformed into a barren wasteland, the mountain's peak replaced by a vast crater. The eruption provided scientists with invaluable insights into volcanic behavior. Mount St. Helens was a dramatic reminder of how quickly the Earth can change. Its explosive power reshaped the land in an instant. Nature's fury leaves a lasting mark. In Tornado Alley, the clash of air masses creates the world's most violent storms. On May 20, 2013, Moore, Oklahoma, faced an EF5 tornado over a mile wide. For nearly 40 minutes, it obliterated neighborhoods, schools, and hospitals. The destruction was absolute. Homes erased, cars tossed, lives upended. Yet meteorologists' warnings saved countless lives. The Moore tornado showed both the atmosphere's fury and the life-saving power of science. Preparation and knowledge are our best defense. In India, the monsoon is both a giver and taker of life. When rains are too intense, rivers overflow, flooding vast plains and displacing millions. Homes and crops are swept away, and entire villages become islands. Access to essentials becomes a daily struggle, yet communities adapt, building on stilts, using boats, and supporting each other. The monsoon floods reveal humanity's resilience and dependence on nature's rhythms. Each year, they remind us of the delicate balance we live with. Our survival is tied to the climate's unpredictable patterns. California's idyllic climate hides a growing wildfire threat. Drought, heat, and winds fuel blazes that move with terrifying speed. The 2018 Camp Fire destroyed the town of Paradise in hours, becoming the state's deadliest wildfire. Evacuations turned desperate as flames overtook escape routes. The scale of destruction was unprecedented. Homes reduced to ash, communities erased. Wildfires are now a year-round menace, fueled by climate change and human expansion. They are a fiery warning of our new reality. The Alps' winter beauty hides a deadly threat: avalanches. Layers of snow can become unstable, and a single trigger can unleash a slab avalanche. In seconds, a river of snow thunders down, burying everything in its path. Rescue is a race against time. Survival chances plummet after 15 minutes. Avalanches are sudden, brutal reminders of nature's unpredictability. Even in paradise, danger lurks beneath the surface. Respect for the mountains is essential. At Lake Maracaibo, Venezuela, Catatumbo. Lightning creates the world's most persistent thunderstorm. For over 260 nights a year, the sky is lit by thousands of lightning flashes. Unique winds and geography fuel this nightly spectacle. The lightning is mostly silent, illuminating the clouds in brilliant colors. It's a natural beacon, woven into local folklore and vital for navigation. Catatumbo lightning is a stunning display of atmospheric power, nature's light show. We've witnessed Earth's power from eruptions to storms, floods to fire. These are not acts of anger but reminders of our place in a living, changing world. As our climate shifts, understanding and respecting these forces is vital for survival. By learning and preparing, we can build resilience and harmony with nature. The Earth destroys, but it also renews. Stay curious, stay safe, and never lose your sense of wonder for our magnificent planet.